Good morning, Kelly here. Welcome to my vlog. So I am currently in my garden and we're fixing to go over like the watermelons, cantaloupes, and maybe the tomatoes. I don't know. But it has not been great this year. It doesn't help that people have been stealing from us. So yeah, love that. So I just got home from farming and I want to like kind of tell you some things about the farm. So you've seen like the tomatoes and a lot of them were dead. And the reasoning behind that is because I live in Tennessee and during the time that everyone starts planting, it rained a lot. And so that really messed up being able to spray them. And spraying them for bugs and like fungus and stuff like that, you need to do that like every 10 days. And we were not able to do that. So because of that, it started dying from the bottom and then it goes up. So that's why most of them are dead now. There are some still okay ones and we are actually going to spray them today. But yeah, that's why a lot of them have died out, because we should still have healthy, well, somewhat healthy plants now. But because of it raining constantly and not being able to spray, it started the process of them dying. And now we're going through a freaking heat wave and not getting rain, which we have like a watering system underneath our tomatoes and stuff. But it's too hot on them, so need to get ready for work now. And this is Thea. She loves laying on you when you're sleeping. Either she's laying on your chest, laying on your back, or she's like, if you're on your side, she's cuddled right there. She acts all big and bad, but she's just a big softie. So I feel so much better now. And I got like 30 minutes. So one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my little face mask, which this plugs into. And we're gonna do like a little red light. So I am very excited. I have not done this in a while, probably like a month. But trying to do some more self-care. Might even try and meditate. Who knows? I'm done. And everything looks blue. So weird. Also, another cat joined, so don't know when she got there. I was chilling, meditating, going through some affirmations in my head when it clicked off and I realized Thea's there. And now she's the star of the show, so. Hey, baby. So I'm currently walking in town. Like I just had to go by work real quick. Look at these clouds. It is fixing to storm. I looked on the radar and I think we're gonna catch the tail end of a storm, which we need it, but well, now I'm not sure if it's gonna do anything. So I've been doing the dishes, just minding my own business, and I didn't realize the neighbor's dog was in here. Like Cody and his niece and nephew's here, and I guess they let her in and I didn't realize. Well, hi there, Sky Baby. Hi there, Sky Baby. Oh, you're just so sweet. Then I got my dog too.
Chloe. Yeah, hi, Chloe.
This is probably a week later. I know I'm bad at this YouTube thing, but here's the garden. We are fixing to go over the cantaloupes and watermelons and like kind of go over the tomatoes, see if there's anything salvageable. And then sometime in the next couple weeks, I need to take them down. But I will show you if we have any harvest. Hi there, Gray. Hi, honey. So we picked the cantaloupes, watermelons, and a row of tomatoes. We really need to look over the other tomatoes. However, I'm feeling lightheaded because I haven't ate anything and it's 9 o'clock. So we're gonna take a break. All right, I ate some oatmeal and now I'm back here at it. It shouldn't take that long to do these tomatoes. It is currently 9:51 and I'll let you know when we're done. It is 10:01 and we are already done. And people, I don't know. I think people get in our field and just pick whatever they want. And it's kind of really aggravating because we work hard on this stuff, but.
They're really laying in a line.